The thing is that beside an workshop in Bangladesh, I work in a small company. Often I found that in those small companies, like in Bangladesh, we don't find that much of an engineer with that kind of experience. So, yeah, book knowledge is required, but the thing is that real life experience sometimes add a value, like a cream of the cake. So we need those engineers, and we need to grow them. So this kind of conference help them, and this kind of workshops help them to find out what is the way and which way they should go. And if we can continue in this subcontinent where we have a lack of knowledge and the real life knowledge, then this kind of workshop will help us too much. And the engineers which I'm not finding in Bangladesh, hopefully within like 3-4 years we can get a fresh engineers with a good kind of experience. So that helps this kind of conference. So the thing is that the structure of the workshop is like it came from the experience of a real life networks. So day to day, when we face a problem and we sort it out and we get the community, because internet is a community work. Like, you know, if we face any problem, I call some other guys who is sitting in US, who is sitting in Australia. So they helped us, and then we got a solution. And that solution we try to bring in our workshop, that yes, you will face this problem and how you can recover. So I think this kind of workshops should happen in this subcontinent very often. APNIC is the biggest way, APNIC is another biggest way. Also the NOGs should come up. So the thing is that these NOGs, like you mentioned about SANOG, about BDNOG. So BDNOG happens in Bangladesh, SANOG happens like after every 6 months in this Asian region. So the thing is that this kind of knowledge they cannot get in books and they cannot get in vendors. The workshop we are giving here is totally vendor neutral. That means if you learn, you will learn the technology, not the specific product. So that is why this kind of workshop is very important for them. And secondly, I should add that one that you know, for learning this kind of like a workshop material, we made this material for like last 8 years, and they are getting this material within 5 days. And within this amount of money, within this amount of time, within this amount of effort, they are getting this huge amount of experience within this short time. I should add another name, like my co-instructor is Philip and Shaila. Like Philip is working in Cisco, Philip is working in so many places for last 22 years. So they are getting a 22 years of experience within 5 days. So it is very grateful for them.